So I want to check in the commentaries after I already payment for the term 1, term 2 and term 3. Get this, I go to the student finance to check the history of the status term. This is for the payment of term 1. I use the partially paid for the first time, and the payment of term 1 is 2,222, and the payment of term 1 also is this. But when I check in the commentaries, the payment of term 1 as usually partially is not recorded in the commentaries. Okay, so this before I payment for the down payment TP, and I doing for the partially paid, but this is not display recorded with the amount of the payment of term partially that I have already paid. Okay. I check in the operation lines to compare for this in the operation lines TP. Okay, wait. TP is 900 euro. It's recorded in the commentaries. Okay, but then I check also in here for the payment after partially paid is not recorded in the here in the commentaries. This is amount of the payment of term 1, even though I not ready to the paid as totally amount of the payment of term, but I ready to the paid as partially, but it's not recorded in the commentaries. What I've displayed in the commentaries, this is amount of not partially. Okay, also check here. It says recorded for the payment of term 2. This recorded with that what I paid, also partially paid is 2,279, and this is 1,000, and also recorded in here for the payment of term 2 and payment of term 2 as partially 100. But when I check here, okay, so for the payment of term 1, when I paid as partially, it's not recorded in the commentaries and master transaction. I want to check in the master transaction also. Okay, here. It's also not display the amount of the partially paid in here. Okay, what is display is the totally of the payment of term 1, even though I not paid as fully with the payment of term 1. Okay, it should display 2,122 in here because I payment as partially. Okay.